somebody forwarded me that they were doing rescue missions in Brighton Beach in Brooklyn, and they said they need Russian and Yiddish interpreters. So this guy who knew Yiddish forwarded it to me, and I went. Of course, I was the only Yiddish guy. There was later on afterwards, I saw another guy who was from Yiddish, but he wasn't from the interpreters. So with the interpreters, there was all Russians, and I was the Yiddish guy, and we were supposed to wait with phone calls for people stuck. People were stuck there for weeks without electricity, without heating, obviously without heating, without running water. Sometimes running water, maybe I'm exaggerating, but yeah, there was also that, and maybe also something happened to their houses, and they need help. So we were supposed to wait for the cell phones. I didn't get any call. The Russians did, because the assumption was actually that many of those Russians also know, maybe the Yiddish speakers also know Russian. So at some point I just went with one of the groups, one of the missions, to just go door to door in Brighton Beach and try to help people and try to basically write their complaints or write their problems. And I went door to door. One of the doors was a woman, older woman from Bessarabia, who was thrilled to talk Yiddish with me. And her son was sick, really poor, very poor, and her son was sick, he couldn't take care of himself, and they were without electricity, they couldn't move anywhere. It was like that for weeks, no heating. It was pretty bad. And she was thrilled to talk Yiddish with me and to tell me her problems in Yiddish. And I filled out the form for her problems. She told me in Yiddish, and I wrote it in English. And I felt that it was a really humanist gesture towards this other person who found another language that is most comfortable. She knew Russian, I think, or Russian, but her Yiddish was just thrilling for her. In her very bad state that she was, and I was personally thrilled to be able to offer some very specific help with that Yiddish.